So that mixture that was on top of the stove, this is a lot of stuff, wow. Dad put it into this bowl with the cheese and mixed it all together, and now he's just putting it into the casserole. That thing is ginormous. So if you have a big family, this is kind of the perfect recipe for you because
it feeds 10.
it says it's gonna feed 10. There's 4 of us, which means we're gonna have lots of leftovers for the weekend, which is good because Stephen and I have a couple of days off. Now, is this broccoli part of it, or did you just decide you wanted to do this?
Well, you gotta understand, my family doesn't like spicy peppers,
Right.
okay?
A lot of people
And
can't
my-
handle spice.
And, you know, so I eliminated the peppers,
Yep.
the hot peppers,
Yep.
and peas.
So there's literally no spice in this dish at all, but if you like spicy, you can add things to it to make it to your palate. But we're not really the only person in this house who can tolerate spice is Steven, so.
What I decided to do was, instead of peas, instead of red peppers and the other pepper, I put in carrots. Okay, instead of adding peas, I put in the broccoli.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
you know,
good.
because that's what my family likes.
Right. Now this is the cheese and crumb topping that I showed before, so you just literally place it on top. Oh God, we didn't preheat the oven yet.
That's okay. This can sit.
Okay. And then you just put that on, and then
You know, you have to make substitutions if your family isn't.
yeah.
You know.
And a lot of places these days use spice. It's crazy. You can't go anywhere without things being spicy, so this has no spice in it. All right, cool.
There it
So
is.
this is gonna bake at 400 for only like 15 to 20 minutes because everything is pretty much baked in here already or cooked. So we wait till it's bubbly, and then I'll do like a final show of what it looks like when it. Thank God I'm not videotaping, but Dad's eating that. Okay, see you in a bit.